Hello kids, right now I'm going to teach you how to add and subtract fractions and mixed numbers. So let's take a look at an example. Let's say we have 4 nines plus 2 nines. The first thing I notice right away is that the fact that the denominators are the same. They're both 9. So that means for us that our answer is going to have a denominator of 9 as well. And the only thing that we have left to do is add the numerators. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So my answer to 4 nines plus 2 nines is automatically 6 nines. However, you have to be very careful because the thing is that this is not in simplest form. So if your teacher or whatever you're doing this for asks you for simplest form, what you have to do is find the GCF of the numerator and denominator and divide both by that. And I can tell from this that 3 is going to be our GCF. And if you don't know how to find the GCF, just check out the other videos. 6 divided by 3 gives us 2, and 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. So here we have our answer in simplest form. Now let's go ahead and take a look at an example with subtraction. So here we have 5 6, take away 3 6. Again, our denominators are the same, so our answer is going to have the exact same denominator. And then we just, the same concept, we just subtract across the numerator. So 5 take away 3 is equal to 2 6. The same issue is happening here where our answer is not in simplest form. So again, use the GCF to divide the top and bottom by the GCF to get our answer in simplest form. A neat little trick is that if the numerator goes evenly into the denominator, then the numerator is automatically your GCF. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, so I know that I can divide both of these by 2. And so that's automatically our GCF. And my answer would be 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So there you have it. 1/3 is your answer. Let's now take a look at an example of subtracting mixed numbers. And a mixed number, just as a review, is when you have a whole number and a fraction. So you have 6 wholes of something in this case and 9/10 of the next whole. So 6 and 9/10, excuse me, minus 3 and 7/10. Again, our denominators are the same, so I know that my answer is going to be in pieces of 10. So the first thing I need to do is subtract the whole number. 6 take away 3 is 3. And now the same concept as before, we just subtract the numerators. 9 take away 7 gives us 2. So our answer is 3 and 2/10. However, the same rules apply. If they ask you for simplest form, just divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF. And again, we can use that trick I taught you earlier where the numerator goes into the denominator evenly. Therefore, it's automatically our GCF. So a GCF in this case is 2. We're going to go ahead and divide both the numerator and the denominator by that GCF. And our answer should be, carry the whole number over, 3 and 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And there you have it. 3 and 1/5 is the answer to 6 and 9/10. Take away 3 and 7/10. Lastly, now we're going to take a look at an example with addition of mixed numbers. So here we have 5 and 4/7 plus 3 and 5/7. And again, our denominators are the same, so we have 7 in both, and we're going to keep it 7 in our answer. We add the whole numbers. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And now add the numerators. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now I do see an issue here, and that issue is this fraction right here. I can tell it's an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we have to kind of convert that and put this mixed number in simplest form. So in order to do that, I notice that I have at least a whole here because, again, it's an improper fraction. So if I have 9/7 and I take away a whole from it, this whole I'm going to add to the whole numbers in my answer already. So I can start by doing that, and I have 9. And then what's left is my fraction part of my mixed number in my answer. So 9 take away 7 is 2, and our denominator doesn't change, so 2/7. Therefore, 8 and 9/7 in simplest form is 9 and 2/7. Alright, so that was how to add and subtract fractions and mixed numbers.